What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Starting the video off in Las Vegas, and I want to tell you guys about how stupid I am. I had filmed a bunch of clips before we left yesterday, and I just deleted them off my camera, so we're starting the first day in motherfucking Vegas, baby. And shout out to Mr. Banana Pudding Man, because I had a really nice clip of us at the shop. He brought me some banana pudding before we left, and I deleted it, and I'm sorry. So I got a story to tell you, but Sutton, you're amazing. Sutton's kind of half naked right now, so I'm not gonna show him. But no. Sutton's amazing. I'll be back later.
Later, buddy.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, Mac. Starting the video off in Vegas today. Jake took me to the airport last night. Jake flew to Albuquerque for a concert, and I flew into Vegas for SEMA, and I'm gonna be here for 9 days. Now, flight was delayed a little bit, nothing crazy. The only issue that I ran into, Manny and them were supposed to fly out the morning before me, so I was gonna have Manny and the Papi's crew out here to stay with, and when I got out here, they haven't left yet, so now I'm here. They are not. Thanks to Sutton, I had a place to stay last night, but I'm walking down to the strip right now so we can go kind of check out the strip in Vegas before it gets too crazy, and then we're gonna go find Sammy, because Sammy's around the corner at a different hotel, but stayed in the Bellagio last night. Absolutely insane. I'm just blessed to be here, and I want you guys to follow along and enjoy the 9 to 10 days in Vegas, because it's gonna be a nightmare of a trip, but a blessing of a trip at the same time. Hope you guys enjoy the video today. Let's get this bread. I think this is the closest thing I'll ever get to seeing the Eiffel Tower. Venetian, Flamingo. It's cool to see all the different casinos you hear about, or hotels that you hear about in the movies and see in the movies. It's the big sphere over there. Funny, we just left the hotel room with Sutton, and now I find his truck out front. Just super cool. Sutton's got a F450 on a Kilderman air ride kit, Liberty Forge 30s and 42s. He brought his truck. It's not going to be in the show, but he brought his truck so he could ride around during the day and at night without having to Uber and everything. So this will be our ride for the day when we come and once we go and pick up Sammy in a little bit. But being SEMA week, there's going to be all kinds of cool stuff. You got this Bronco over here. And then what looks like maybe like a Raptor sitting over here, which is cool, but kind of ironic. I just left the hotel room with him, and there's our ride for the day. So I'm just kind of waiting for them to get here later tonight, and that's who I'll stay with. But no, not yet. Couldn't really start the day until I got something to eat, and I really hope that the Starbucks being double price makes it double as good because it was made in the Bellagio, but I don't think that's the case.
How's In-N-Out?
Look what we got.
Is that cheap?
Look what we got.
No, it's not cheap. It's not cheap at all. Vegas is so expensive. Hey, what's going on? We're back. Perfect. They can't tell you shit.
Sutton's bougie.
Oh, that's a good guy. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Never ever. Are these yours?
Cheese. No.
Okay, these are his.
That?
I've never actually seen somebody starch their pants in person.
What is this?
You starch them so it makes them stiff. It keeps the crease in the pants.
Oh,
You ever seen the crease in the front?
I've never seen.
That's what it is.
Baby.
Is that a Texas thing?
Yeah, 100%. It's the cowboy thing.
Now makes sense. Makes sense.
Hey, look.
Yeah, we don't have that in Miami.
Yeah. That starching pants ain't a thing in Miami.
Yeah, no, hell no. Look at them kids.
in the back of a truck.
Let me. I got you.
I feel like every time we go somewhere, I end up in the back of a truck. Driving somewhere.
Yeah.
We were in the back of a truck in New York. Now we're in Vegas. We're in the back of a truck. You know, it's just.
All right, we're good to go.
Oh God.
Oh. Oh God. All right.
Oh. We're in Vegas, baby. Alex and Sammy take over Vegas.
All right, yeah. Let me get down.
Give us bread, baby.
All right, guys. We are. Yeah, I don't have anything much to say. It's too early.
Chick-fil-A!
Then I'm taking more.
Joey said it looks like a flea market in here.
Hey, we need to put Joey in. I'm kind of scared. We found the adult daycare
away from this point.
so we're good.
Yeah, we haven't even entered yet.
Yeah, we're here. You're trying to push your shit frightening for some 30. You good?
I really don't want to stand there because then I'll be telling you to sit down now.
You got legs and eggs here? Or is that only a single?
That's our exit. Just let people get out, okay? All right.
I want to drink that water. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
The desert. All right, we're going crazy. We're going crazy. Look at that.
Stuffed French toast?
Stuffed apple with cream. Oh my God.
All right. Okay.
All right.
Good moist sandwich.
Toast sandwich.
Are you supposed to eat French toast with your hands or no?
Yeah, she said she does it.
You should call her. Joey's in his feelings over there. You should call her, Joey.
Definitely gonna be stuff like a.
That's how you put the pellets in. Go get one.
Fucking fire.
Take your rubber, you're slamming in there. You're slamming it. Throw it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the Mcgaughys. Happy birthday to you. Nah, come and help me.
We like riding in the back. I'm too full now. Ski. Joey's trying to tell Sutton that his brake caliper's leaking, but he really just pissed on the ground.
You got a leak.
You got a leak.
Got a leak over here.
You got a urine leak.
Hey, what happened to this?
Bro, how you feeling, bro? How you feeling? What you trying to do?
Hey, hey, hey.
Ooh, okay.
You're coming up here. Who's gonna be driving?
Yeah, you don't have to drop this.
Wow! I wouldn't drink that. We've been riding around with this for how long? How long's that been in here? Since Rick Ross?
Yes.
Oh God.
Oh, we got some more here.
Oh! I believe in you.
I don't believe in myself.
Exploring Vegas.
Party inside. We're Gucci.
Sean Taylor over here.
Gucci. Here. I got you.
Oh, this thing. I'm not jumping. Absolutely not. I'm getting too old for all that. Oh, jeez. Oh. My knees are getting old. I'm getting old. I'm halfway to 30. It's getting bad.
Look how we park. What is this?
That's a good ass parking spot.
I mean, this is the curb.
Oh, yeah. Hey.
Ooh. Oh, beat the shoe though.
Hey, what's the SRS stand for?
Ooh.
Sexy rotten son of a.
I don't know how to turn it off.
Sometimes you don't need to. When you look that good. Oh, hey. What's up, MTV? Come on, welcome to my crib. That's not mine. You gonna shut the door behind you or what?
No. All right, fine. Sheesh.
MTV's so inconsiderate. This is my clocks. It's our place. That's not really ours.
Oh. Oh, what is that? You're about to find out.
What's that like? It sounds like
Hull.
I think I should try it on for you, dude.
What is this? Southern Magnolia Hull. Ooh.
Y'all ready?
Ooh, look at the sleeve though. Nice. Nice.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
SRS on the sleeve. Okay. Okay.
Ooh. Even Texas as well. And then I'm gonna let Joey pull his out.
Oh, you already know. Thank you.
We can't walk around and tell everybody that it's tiny, so we have to either one, drive a big truck, or two, wear it on a hoodie. Because I can't just show you, or we probably.
Or we could just show them. Go ahead.
Joey said he's in there dropping a bomb, so he wanted us to show off his hoodie. His is his big perp on Instagram, so the man's got the purple one. Big perp.
Yeah. And then Southern Magnolia Apparel. Shout out.
Shout out. Plug.
Oh yeah.
Sponsoring today's video. Yeah, this is dope. Like the Amanis
I didn't know what you meant.
with the floating caps. That's cool. Lifted rippers. Look at that though. That's dope.
Sammy, y'all staying here? No, we're coming.
That's cool. Full frame off. This is going to be at SEMA this year, obviously. Hell yeah. And you'll see the little red icon when it's
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is all we've been doing all day is riding around in the back of the truck exploring Vegas. The show
You gotta explore it somehow. Can I get a oh yeah?
Sutton's been scaring people with his train horn all day.
Can I hear the train horn?
Train horn. Train horn.
Train horn! Train horn! Train horn! Train horn!
The lady's filming us.
Yep, I got it.
Every time we go somewhere, people like record us with their phones because we're always riding in some obnoxious ass truck. So we feel famous all the time, but really they're just laughing at us is what's happening. Look at the mountain.
Look at that mountains.
Bro, we gotta go to Cane's. Is there Cane's out here? Looking in and out.
I'm already up here.
Can I get on? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You smell my doggies? Hello. Hello.
Ooh. I wish I got some blow.
Hey, watch, he'll get drunk and he'll be here tomorrow.
We need a moment.
Hey, girl.
She's chilling.
Ooh, right over.
Oh.
My new best friend.
He called me.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
And he's going out to drink. So.
Never figure out how to love.
See, you had a lot of moments that didn't last forever. Now you in this corner trying to put it together. Had a lot of.
We've really just been exploring Vegas all day. We finally made it back to the hotel. We're gonna get ready to go to dinner tonight, but this is Sutton's truck that I showed you guys earlier. We've been riding around in today. Parked out front of the Bellagio, airing up, airing down. Valet's about to take it and park it, so we're gonna go in the hotel. But shout out to Sutton for the ride today and allowing me to stay with him tonight. It's been absolutely amazing. Like I said, we've just kind of been exploring Vegas all day, having a good time. Now it's time to get ready for dinner. So
many people.
compared to the Rio that we're staying in tonight, how would you compare the Bellagio to the Rio?
I mean, you think about it as like, yo, you got people that are on your level, and you know, and you got people that are definitely not on your level. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And unless all these people got like 90% off, they spend
a bunch of money.
A lot of money to stay here, especially now. I'm looking at all of them and I'm like, all right, yep, they're up there.
There's designer stores, Gucci, Prada, all of those stores just in this hotel.
I mean,
somebody's spending some money.
Listen, I don't know.
Not me.
I don't know if you know, but look at the prices for this weekend. It's insane.
It ain't cheap.
Definitely not cheap. So that's why I'm looking at these people. I'm like, damn, you spend doubles to be here. You guys are crazy.
We just left the hotel room and some guy recognized Sammy for being in the back of the truck going down the strip.
This is the guy that was on the big truck. I was like, no.
You're famous now.
I can't hide anywhere, bro. Especially with
Reels on 20 to 22 because they were. Hey, what?
You know, you have to sign. We out here.
Ya tu sabe.
Ya tu sabe.
First time at Benihana. My first time.
We out here at Benihana. All right. We're about to eat some great food. We're about to eat some great dinner. We're about to eat some great food. No, I'm kidding. All right, let's not put that
Benihana in Vegas. Las Vegas, baby.
All right, where we going?
Oh, God.
We're gonna be sober.
Too late, bro.
Now I was recording. Oh God. Man coverage.
What you got? Look, we ending off day one. What you got to tell him?
I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna tell him right here. All right, look.
You see the fit.
Look, Cuban as fuck.
got Miami 305.
Tremendo balsero, babo. Look, this is all I gotta tell him, all right? Hey, look, this is for my boy Terry.
Oh, wow.
Hustle in silence.
I should find you a honey.
And let your success.
Toma! Make the noise.
Get the rest of it.
Toma! It says hustle in silence and let success make the noise. Shout out to my boy Hazelton Media. Shout out to my boy That White Bow Tie. We outside with it.